So in today's video on Google Ads, we will be practically teaching you how to create the SiteLink assets in Google Ads. Friends, as I explained earlier in this course, all the aspects that we refer to as assets now. So earlier they were basically known as SiteLink extensions. And now we know them and call them as assets. So now we will be moving on to the computer screen and directly see the practical way to create them, because site links are extremely useful when it comes to creating and running PPC ads and text ads. And these provide more visibility. And this will also increase the chances of generating higher number of clicks and also will help in improving the quality score of your ads multiple times. If you have used the extensions and assets in a much superior and better way, so you will be getting a much higher number of clicks and number of impressions in comparison to all your competitors who are running ads. This gives us that chance. So like now I am on the Google Ads account dashboard. So here inside the particular campaign, when we go there, so we will be getting an option for assets. I am showing this separately, but you don't have to create it this way. When we'll teach you how to create campaigns practically, so we will get the option for assets there and we can include it. But here when you come to assets, so after coming to assets, you can see here, there is an option for plus meaning ad and create asset. I'll click on create assets and there are different types of assets, like we have site links. We have options like call out, structure snippet, call, then lead form, message, location, price, app, promotion. So all these options are there. And we'll be teaching you about the major extensions or assets. So today we'll teach about SiteLink assets and how to create them. So here we will now be clicking on the SiteLink option. As soon as I click on the SiteLink, the next process will start. Now I am going to be explaining to you what this entire setup looks like. See, here I am going to be searching for something on Google, so let me type it out and search for best. No, so let me type here and search for website. So I typed designing company in Delhi and I searched for it. When any user will search, so here you'll see that on this website this sponsored ad is coming. Here we can now see a link for about us, blog, insights, contact us, right? So in this particular way, you can then make the user access the sites by clicking blogs, so it will take you directly to blogs. For contact us, they can directly go, let's say when we scroll below, this is a website designing company and have separate page for website development and quotations. Okay, the award-winning website. So they've given this information separately. Thus I can go to whichever page I want or to the main. And with the URL here, we can go to the main landing page. So basically we will call all these aspects as SiteLink assets. So here we will now be seeing how to create assets. So to start creating the assets, you can see here, account, campaign, ad group, where do you want to do it? I will click on campaign. Now here I will be choosing any campaign. So as you can see, I have chosen a campaign here called lead search. Now here, select create new. Now I will be creating new assets. Here I have selected an old campaign now just for the dummy run. Now the next is SiteLink text. So let us assume that I need to create different site links. I'll create a separate one for SEO services. Then after that I will create a separate one for social media services. So I've created the first site link here. Now if you're creating 4 site links, then it's considered as a best practice. So you can create multiple number of site links like 2 or 4 in this way. Now I'm going to put in SEO here. SEO services. So is that okay? So I have added the SEO to the site links. So basically I added this text. So can you see here now? Look here, the SEO services. So the site link it's showing here. I created 1 out of the 4. See here the preview with the SEO is showing how it will look. In this particular description, I'll be adding like giving the best results since 2007. It is because we have been working since 2007 and we are delivering results here in SEO. And we have been working with SEO since then in our agency. Now here, if I will have to give another extra description, then I will give that description. So here I am writing affordable and the rates or packages For the sake of a dummy run, I have written this text in this way. But you need to write a very good description and you need to write the site link text so that the person in front gets attracted to click the link and to see what is there. Now here we will need to give a URL. So you need to give the URL of the SEO page. Right now I'm giving you the URL of the main page here, but then you will always have to keep in mind that the service offered or the product whose site link page you have been making, you have to give the URL of that particular page or of the landing page to maintain the relevance. Otherwise, you are already giving the URL of the main landing page that you want to use in the campaign. So there is no point in giving it here. Now I will create a second site link. Here I am adding S social media services. Okay. Social media services, social media marketing, whatever you want to put in the description. Okay. So So I will write grow your social media, and here I will then add a line. The best discounts. Now I've added this line for dummy run. I've created two site links here. Now I need to put in a URL. So I'll just put in the URL of another page. So I copied the link of the service page and then went here and added URL. All right. Now I am only creating two. You can create four in the same way. After doing all this, you can save it. So as soon as you are done with saving all these changes, so basically it's saying that there is a limit of 20 for existing accounts, and I have already obviously created them as we regularly use this account for teaching. So I already have exceeded the allowed limit for this. This will not happen in your account if you have not created 20 or more than that extensions. Now just save it directly after saving it. This is the kind of preview it will show you. As you can see, just like in this way how I am showing it to you here. Like the way how this ad is appearing, in the same way your site link will show here. So by this method you can create site link assets and will be able to make your ads better and bring more visibility. And you can also give the user the option to go to their desired landing page where the viewer wants to go. So I hope you will be able to now easily create site link assets in your ads.